How to fix WhatsApp unable to connect, please try again later issue. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix your WhatsApp unable to connect issue on your device. Now, if you're encountering the WhatsApp unable to connect, please try again later problem, it can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. So some of the steps are, first of all, make sure to check your internet connection. In order to ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data, try opening the apps or website to verify your internet connection is working properly or not. You can also turn off your Wi-Fi or mobile data for 20 seconds, and after that you can restart it and you might be able to fix it. Or simple, you can just turn on your flight mode and you might be able to fix it. You can also restart your WhatsApp. So what you need to do is basically you need to close the WhatsApp application from all your background app and then reopen the app and see if the issue still persists. And none of these seems to be working. You can also check for an update. So update plays an important role. For that you need to go to Play Store and then on the search box type in WhatsApp. So right over here, if you see update instead of open, which indicates that the app needs to be updated and you might be able to fix the application after updating it. After that, you can also check your WhatsApp status. So WhatsApp occasionally has several outage or issues. You can check the status of WhatsApp server by visiting the official WhatsApp status page. Apart from that, you can also clear cache as well as data. For that, long press on your Cache App application, click on the app info icon. Next page, go to storage and cache, and this is going to take you to the storage page where you can click on clear cache and click on clear storage. Keeping this in mind that clearing your storage will delete all of your information, you'll not be able to recover it. So if you're sure about it, only then tap on this button. After doing all of these following method, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can simply reinstall the application. In order to uninstall it, you need to do the same procedure as for the clearing cache. You need to click on the uninstall button and then you'll be able to uninstall it. Once again, go to your Play Store and then install the application, log in into your account, and you might be able to fix the issue. Now remember that WhatsApp connectivity issue can sometimes be temporary and may resolve on their own. However, if the problem persists for an extended period, it's a good idea to reach out to the WhatsApp support or consult with a technical expert or further assistant. So that is basically how you can fix WhatsApp unable to connect. Please try again later issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.